The S65 4K camera toy drone is a fun and simple drone that can take excellent films and photographs from the air. This drone has a dual camera system that can switch between front and bottom cameras, as well as a 4K HD camera that can record high-quality photographs and movies with a 120-deg wide-angle view. The drone may be controlled with the provided remote control, which has a 2.4 GHz frequency and a brushed motor. The drone includes a 3.7 V650 mAh drone battery that delivers up to 12 minutes of flight time and can be recharged in 40 minutes. The drone also offers image transmission to your smartphone over Wi-Fi with a transmission distance of 30 to 40 meters. The S65 4K camera toy drone has a maximum control distance of 100 meters, a maximum horizontal speed of 10 kilometers per hour, and a maximum climb speed of 3 kilometers per hour. The drone also has several clever features that make flying more enjoyable and simple. You may fly the drone without worrying about its orientation by using the headless mode, or you can use the one-key return feature to bring it back to its starting place. You may also conduct flips and rolls with the click of a button and modify the pace to your liking. The S65 4K camera toy drone is composed of ABS, a strong and lightweight material that weighs only 59 grams.